Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today's video is something a little bit different or a lot different. So I wanted to show you my planning of my beauty area. I'm not calling it a beauty room because it's not actually a room, and I hope you'll get to see the space soon. But in the meantime, I kind of wanted to share with you what I'm planning to buy for it. And I think it'll be a nice, entertaining video. Maybe you are also setting up your beauty room. So yeah, this is kind of a different thing, but if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, see, I told you this was a different kind of video. So what you're looking at is my screen. I have this beautiful Draenei wallpaper, but let's get into the business. So I'm going to do a little bit of shopping for my beauty area. So the text is a little bit blurred, but you can kind of see. I'm actually doing this in the Portuguese website. I'm so sorry, but you will get the point of it. So I have a little bit of a shopping list done, and I'm going to get what everyone has. I'm getting an Alex 9 drawer thing, and this is a little bit high, but I mean, for the amount of drawers and the organization that this thing has, I think it will be very worth it. I'm only going to buy one of it, and I still don't know what kind of order I'm going to use the drawers. And for this one, I actually wanted to get something, but it is going to be discontinued. It's from the Scurar range, and my makeup brushes are on these cups. I actually wanted to get this candle base to display my perfumes, but is actually getting discontinued. In the meantime, I found something else in rose gold that is going to be very nice. So yeah, to arrange my makeup, I'm going to have this, and they don't actually fit in length, but I've seen that you can kind of cut them a little bit. I'm getting 5 of these for the not so tall drawers, and I mean, it's €1.50, and it's a very nice thing for organization. I'm getting a pretty simple desk, so I'm gonna be buying one of these. These are the Limon table, and I am getting the 120 by 60 that if I want to in the future, I can get one drawer module in here, one of those 5 drawer ones. But just in the meantime, I'm gonna get this one in white with 4 of these simple legs. I think it's a pretty simple desk, which is really what I need. And I think I can move it around very easily, just being the table and the legs. Now, this one, the Alex additional drawer module, this is the 120 as well, so it will match perfectly with the table. And I am probably not going to be buying this right at the start. I'll see if I'll need some more storage. I mean, it will probably be nice to like put the mirror up in the upper side, keep my planners in here. I think I'll probably get this along the way, probably just not at the beginning. But this looks like a very nice thing to add to a very simple desk. So I want to get this office chair with the wheels. I think it's the Skruvsta. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that. They have it in other colors, but I think the white is very pretty, even though I'm a little bit afraid to stain it with makeup. But I've tried this in the store. It feels, it's leather, and it feels very, very comfortable. And I just think it's a pretty chair and comfortable chair overall. It's a little bit expensive, but compared to other office chairs, I think it's kind of in the middle. And I'm still not very sure about the wheels because I want to get a very large rug, and it's this one. But I'll probably just lift the chair a little bit, and because I want to get this one, this is, well, I mean, 60 euros, okay, but it's a big one and it's got the dimensions here. So it's 195 meters by 133. It's a very large rug. It's 195 considering the desk will be 120. I think this will give a very cozy feeling to the area, and I really kind of liked this kind of dirty pink color, and it looks to be very fuzzy. I've actually seen it in the store already also, and it looks very, very pretty. So yeah, I mean, this with kind of the desk in this area and the chair in here, I think it will look kind of cute. I'll still try to manage the arrangement of the area, but again, this is just me planning what I actually want to buy for the place. Now, these are just some decorating bits that I want to get. I am a huge fan of Beauty and the Beast, so I will be buying one of these glass containers that you can kind of see how it looks like in here, but I actually will be buying an artificial rose. And this one is very, very cheap, and it looks very good actually. And I'll be doing kind of a Beauty and the Beast rose thing. Okay, so there's also this mirror that I saw in the store, and it actually looks very tall, and I think this would be very nice to do my makeup with. I'm still not very sure whether to buy this one or this one at Amazon. It looks like a smaller mirror, but it's also kind of tall, and it also has the light around it, and the amplifying part looks to be very useful as well. But I still don't know whether I'll buy one or the other. I don't know. Okay, so there's this one that I saw in the store, and it looks very nice, and then it will match with something else that I want to buy, that is this tall mirror. This one, I think it will be very nice to do some kind of try on videos. And yeah, it's basically a tall mirror. It's 167. It's taller than me. I'm 160, and I think this will be very good even to get ready in that same space, because you can kind of hang your clothes in the back, yeah, like you see here. And the wood, I think I would actually keep it like this. I wouldn't paint it white, because the place that is going to be the beauty area has some bits of wood, and I actually think this would go nice in there. So yeah, I'm probably not going to buy this one at the start either, but I think this will be a very good mirror for that space. And yeah, if I do that, it adds up to almost 500 euros, so I gotta save some money. But basically, I will be buying these things, probably not all of them at once, but I think it will be a very, very nice space. And I'm saying that I'm probably not going to be buying all of these at once because I want to also buy some things that are some soft boxes. Because I mean, I started my channel with basic lighting. I've used natural sunlight, which is very, very good, and I've used, and I'm still using, like you can see, a regular lamp with daylight bulb. And if you're starting a YouTube channel, that's what I can recommend to you. Use sunlight if you can, or if you can't use sunlight, or sometimes there's some really bad lighting outside, it can be cloudy or raining, you can probably get away with it and get a very nice lighting with just a regular daylight bulb that is like at least 5000 Kelvin, and you can get that at the supermarket and that will be enough to start. But I've already seen that I kind of like doing this, and sometimes I have more time at night to film and I don't have sunlight then. So I've been researching, and these newer, these seem to have very good reviews. This I'm seeing at the Amazon Spain because I don't have to pay shipping to Portugal. And yeah, by the pictures, these seem to be very good, and I'm really excited to buy them. And also some other things I'll probably have to buy for that area. I've seen this thing to keep your palettes straight. This seems to be nice, but more than this, I want to buy this set that has one thing for your lipsticks and other for the lip glosses, and this is 29 for the two. And yeah, I think that will be very good. And also I might be getting a thing like this to kind of have some backdrop. Yeah, but this one I still kind of have to think about it. So yeah, that is everything for this video. I know it was kind of a different thing to do, but I hope this was helpful if you're trying to set up a beauty area or a beauty room too. And I also hope you'll be able to help me build my beauty area. I will try to do some more videos when I buy the things, and actually building some of the IKEA stuff because I think that's kind of funny. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You know, join the world of BeautyCraft. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.